Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. I have the dryer going on in the background, so hope it doesn't make too much noise, but I just wanted to go through my June lineup this month. I did make some changes since the last time we talked, and Luck and I have decided not to go to Sweden to see the MCR, so I've changed out my lineup and now this should be it for June. So let's go through each one. I actually have done most of the work, but you might be able to look through my foil binder and have a look. I've got it here. Look, the sticker I added. But yeah, we could add some bits and pieces to see what quotes we have or anything like that. So let's get straight into it. Obviously the first week of June, and I'm using this the week after. I'm using this the week before you see this video, but you're going to see the plan with me after this video. So that is okay. But we are using the April 2022 Mystery from SPC, and it is the soft mermaids, soft girly mermaids. And for that I am actually using the Caress Press Mermaid foil in her sparkly, chunky sparkly gold hollow. Now there's a dog. There's kids screaming, the dog barking, who knows what's happening. It's a warmer day here in Helsinki, so, you know. But yeah, I decided to just use the sparkly gold. I think it still goes. It's like not as soft, but I think it's actually fairly dark gold bits that are going to go with it. So I'm going to bring this in with it, and I don't have a lot of stuff that will go on top. So I think it'll be a fairly minimalist look, but we do have some deco here and some extra headers and stuff. But let's have a look if there's any quote boxes. We got some romantic ones. Let's have a look. Anything that might do well with mermaids. It'd be nice to have a look. We have the Plan and Go ones. We have Lord of the Rings. Will Lord of the Rings go with any of these? I don't think. Probably not. Not with mermaids. So I don't think I have a quote that really goes. That's okay. I don't have it's not really starry. But I do know I'm using a toolbox overlay with this, so I do have simple line in gold because I think that's what I'm going to stick with for this, just bringing in some gold. Oh, we got some extra things here. I think I'm just going to bring the simple line in gold with this and this. I think that will go, just to put something, or maybe we just won't have anything except for this and just have a minimal foil moment just with the 8 boxes. Because that'll be enough, except I'll use 8 boxes and then a toolbox, so I think that'll be enough. Yeah, I don't think I'll bring anything else in. I don't know. I think that'll just be simple and easy. So that is the first week of June. And then the second week of June, I am going to use my Love is Love Pride kit. This one's from SPC. This is all, well, okay, it's all my art, but all but one is SPC. But yeah, obviously June is Pride Month, so I wanted to use it in this, sometime in this month. So that is Love is Love, and I'm going to use Sparkly Hollow with it because, you know, and I'm going to use Caress Press Rainbow Luxe, because I think the Luxe will also go with this sort of street design, sort of more city, and you got also all the rainbows, and it's just a really fun mix there, the rainbows and Luxe designs. And then I have some extra decos from SPC in case I want to add deco throughout, but I think we also want, let me get to my Sparkly Hollow section, which I do have in my folder. I think there is a toolbox that I'm probably going to use, so I might bring out one of these simple line ones and actually bring it in because it matches And the Caress Press Sparkly Hollow is a little chunkier, but I think that's okay. Let's have a look if we have any quotes. Live with no excuses, travel with no regrets. This could almost work. Blue Bubbles, life is a party. Cue the confetti, once you pop the fun, don't stop. These could almost work. If it costs you a piece, it's too expensive. Love quotes. Life is tough, but so are you. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Those could almost go with the Pride kit, right? Dream hard, work harder. I got a couple of these because they were from the Advent calendar. Princess, no bitch, queen. Know your worth and then add on tax. That could work also. You're a diamond, dear, they can't break you. Actually, because one of the full boxes in this is just a plain, like, this background here. And actually having, like, that full quote of you're a diamond, dear, they can't break you. Okay, I'm going to use that quote. And we could also possibly add on those other ones. But I think that's the quote I want to use. It also makes me think of a Blind Channel song, which is hilarious, called Giants. Giants, it's a song about, you know, you're overcoming, and one of the lines is, under pressure, you're a diamond, because, you know, that's how diamonds are made. But I think that's all we need to add. I'm not sure I need to add anything else to this. I can have a look at my, I didn't have as much extra sparkly hollow. Put hearts in there. But I think the rainbow and the luxe will be enough. I actually only have like luxe extras and confetti. Put some micro confetti in. No, I think that's fine. Okay. I think that is all we need for this. Because we should be using a full box, so this will be enough full boxes, toolbox, and this will be a great quote. Alright, so that is everything for Love. Love is Love. I'm going to use Sparkly Hollow, Rainbow Luxe with some extras from SPC. Let me put these upside down so they don't get out of order. And then we have SPC A tier because I'm changing out I'm a Fake for this one because I really want to use it straight away. And look at it, it's so bright and fun, and it came with a whole bundle. If you saw my haul that was posted last week, yeah, a while ago, like my last haul should be like my last video. You will have seen me haul this whole thing. But we have the whole thing, we have quotes in here, we have the kit, so this is all pretty much the way it's going to be. So that is, oh, actually, I know Andrea showed me, and when she did her version, she brought in some hollow extras, which now that I'm thinking about it, I might also have. So, it might also be really cute. So look at my hollow stuff. Yes, this leopard print from Sadie's Stickers. I don't think she makes stickers like this anymore, really, but this leopard print is gorgeous. And there's leopard print in here, like a cheetah print. So I think I want to sprinkle those in, although I love the whole bundle. So it'll be difficult to choose, but I think that would be awesome to bring in. Because when do you get to use hollow leopard print, you know? And then there might, well, there's already quotes in there, but no, I think I'm going to stick with the quotes that are included because I don't have those Planet Girl ones. No. Alright, so we might chuck in some hollow leopard print stuff from Sadie's Stickers to go with the A-tier bundle. I'm just going to shove it in to the cello. Sticky. There we go. I didn't ruin that yet. There we go. So that's A tier for that week of June. And then this week I'm using Caress Press version of Campfire. I just really loved how the colors printed all super bright for this one. And I feel like the SBC printed one felt more like late summer transitioning into autumn, so I might use that like next year or the year after. So I'll use this one for like summer. But this is the week of Midsummer or Midsummer's Eve or Johannes here in Finland. It's a pretty big holiday here, so I thought I would use a kit that went with that. And I did design this with that kind of in mind, because usually people go to their summer cottages and have a bonfire, but we didn't have a summer cottage, so we won't be doing that. But yeah, so I thought I'd do that to like celebrate midsummer. So I'm using campfire, but from Press. I just think it'll be really fun and earthy. And I'm actually going to use silver with this, which I know I've seen a lot of people using gold or even greens, which would be great. But I already kind of chose that I was going to use the Dragonfly in silver bundle from Press. And because I didn't love like so much Dragonfly in one go, I've added on the silver bows instead of having the dragonflies on the bottom. So I'd have the silver bows, and then I brought in some sparkle headers, so I would mix up the headers. And then I have some sparkle design full boxes as well, just to not have like all of the dragonfly boxes, you get what I mean? Just to sort of thin that out a little. But I think that'll turn out really pretty, and I just felt like silver went. And I didn't want, I think at the time I was going to do a lot more gold than I have, but I have like gold, sparkly hollow, now silver, which, you know, it works. So yeah, so I decided to use silver for that, and I think it'll be nice and bright. But that is for the week of Midsummer and Campfire. And then finally we have the week of July 1st, which is when Stranger Things Part 2 comes out. The last 2 episodes of Part 4 and the finale, the complete end of the show. So I thought this would be the week that I would use my Strange kit. I'm sorry if the dryer is really annoying, because I feel like I'm talking over it right now, but hopefully I'm not in the video. But if not, I guess I'll re-film this. But yeah, so I thought I would use the Stranger Things kit on the week of the final episodes. And, you know, we'll probably be watching them over the weekend. But this is the SPC version. I just loved how dark. But yes, the mall still gives me the feeling of summer with the ice cream and everything. So yeah, I'm excited. I've just watched the first part of the season, and it was good. So I'm looking forward to getting it wrapped up and seeing the end. So I thought this would be perfect, especially since Max has been such a big character actually this last season. So I'm so happy that she's on the front cover here. But I'm gonna pair this with the Sparkle bundle in mixed blue and red from SPC. I think that'll be perfect to go with this. Because like the main colors in here are blue and red ultimately. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this one bundle, put this in. I didn't pick up any, there's a lot of Stranger Things themed foil, but in the end I just couldn't really decide, and you know, had to get it all, like delivered in time as an international person. So I'm just gonna go with this straight bundle, and it pretty much has everything I need in it. So I'm happy with that. I don't think this has a toolbox. I should actually check on that, because that might be my downfall. We have multiple double boxes. Okay, we have like, yeah, I don't think there is a toolbox at all. But you can see how the blue and red will be perfect with this. Yeah, so that is all good. I don't think I need to add any foil to this. I'm just going to stick with this red and blue. And yeah, it'll be a good end to June and the end of this show, which is nuts. It's finally ending. I still remember like binging in one day the first season back in Australia. So it'll be fun to watch, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it finishes up. I had like semi-guessed what is starting to happen if you've watched the show, no spoilers, but as we're watching the season, I semi-guessed what was happening, but one of the main elements I didn't guess, so that was really fun and exciting. And I was super shocked to see, I don't know how to pronounce the last name, but it's Tom Wascherslaw. That's obviously very, very wrong, but he's the German actor who played Jaqen in Game of Thrones, and he's in all the Russia parts of the show, and he's so hot. I pretty much just like watched the Russia parts for Tom. But yeah, that is my June lineup. My month of June, let me know if we're twinning any weeks or if you're using any of these kits. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful June, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!